What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In these difficult times, we're trying to get creative on the content that we put out there. As you know, the virus is still a thing, and we are trying to proceed with caution. We hope everybody's staying safe and healthy out there. You know, don't go out if you don't have to. So these current videos, we're trying to get creative with the different content that we put out. Today's video, we are going to go over 5 out of the 6 categories, the top 5 categories we are buying online. We are searching for these products online, have them sent to the house. We're prepping and packing in the garage, and yeah, I mean, the business is going to start flowing, right? So these are the top 5 categories that I am sourcing from. Number 5, pet supplies. Guys, everybody, you still need to feed Fido. You know what I mean? Betty the cat still needs to poop and kitty litter. We can't have animals doing feces all over the house, and you know, they're still gonna need pee pads, and people who really don't even want to go out to exercise, they're gonna need all these different things. You're gonna need food, you're gonna need treats, you're gonna need animal brushes, you wanna groom, animal, anything. Pet supplies, my number 5 pick on categories to source from. Number 4. Now, to some people, this should be higher in the countdown, but for me, it's number 4, and that is groceries. The reason why I say that is because right now in this current market, groceries are so saturated. It's so hard to source these groceries at a decent price to sell them for a profit because everybody is gouging the crap out of these items. It's sad, but it's a way of life. It is what it is. We do what we gotta do. We got families too, but be moral. Number 3, baby products. Babies are still pooping. Just because this is going on doesn't mean little Tommy's not taking a dump. So we need we need diapers, wipes, pull-ups, formula, snacks, food, toys, teething, all types of stuff. All types of stuff. Babies still deserve a fair shot, and just because we can't go out to source these products doesn't mean we shouldn't be getting them in so we can send them into Amazon so people across the globe can order these products from you, and we can get these products in the hands of the consumer. That's number 3. Number 2. Number 2, I've been actually sourcing for a while. You guys have seen my videos on Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. A lot of times I get these items there. Not so much Walmart and Target. But number 2 is the health and beauty category. The health and beauty category is phenomenal. Shout out to FBA Outlaw. I talked to him. He's crushing it with supplements and different health-related products. Great job out there. And you know, people still need their vitamins. They still need their medicine. They still need, you know, women still need makeup. They still, believe it or not, women still consider makeup an essential. Comment below if you're a woman and makeup is an essential part of your lifestyle. And the number 1 category that I am absolutely crushing it, and I hope you are crushing it even more so, is, ready? Household products. This includes cleaners, soaps, shampoos. Well, actually, that's beauty. But you know, cleaners, counter wipes, polishes, floors, like any type of cleaning or household item is flying off the shelves. You need to do your due diligence in pricing fairly. I think everybody should be pricing fairly to get these products in the hands of consumers where their stores are either closing or they are sold out. I've gone into a lot of these stores and I go into the cleaning supply section before, and these items are wiped off the shelf. Wiped off the shelf. There is not any cleaning products left. So people are turning to places like Amazon so they don't have to go out for these with the quick turnaround that Amazon offers, the 1 day, 2 day, however many days shipping that they're getting it, and it's delivered right to their front door. A lot of times people are opening their packages outside to prevent the boxes from coming inside. But folks, those are the 5 categories that I am currently going in on. The last 3, number 1, 2, and 3, I'm going heavy in. 4 and 5, I'm just learning about and starting to get in my feet wet because I've never really sourced or sold in those categories. So during this time, I would encourage all of you, get familiar with the unfamiliar, okay? Do things that you wouldn't normally do. Step out of your comfort zone. This is the perfect time. If you shop toys and you sell toys, electronics, and books and you can't send that into FBA and you don't want to do FBM, look at some pet products. Look at some household products. Think outside the box. These items are flying. We're talking like I'm having a hard time keeping them in stock and I'm ordering hundreds and hundreds at a time. Also, I do want to tell you one quick tip. When you're buying these items, make sure you're buying bulk. You want to get the beast of these products. You want to get the best of them, okay? Yes, I said beast and I meant to say beast. Beast. Make sure you're checking your Keepa charts, and also during this downtime, guys, if you know anybody with this virus, send a prayer, send my love. I hope I hope all of you are healthy out there and nobody has to deal with this virus epidemic that's going on in the world, this global pandemic. So, with that, I hope I'm able to create some content to keep you guys busy. Comment below any other comments you want to see or have me communicate. Comment below, let me know what you want to see. I'm curious. Guys, stay happy, healthy, and always stay hustling. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hustleholics, baby.